Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech 2, the one-stop shop to get your dose of tech. Vivo Y50 is towards the higher side in the Vivo Y series, as in the premium side. Y50 comes with a better processor, higher RAM and even better camera quality. Though it is more expensive than most of the other smartphones in the Y series, Y50 is still a budget phone for its features in its price range. Let's check what Vivo Y50 has to offer. Here's the first look. It is stylish and trendy. It features a minimal-sized front camera for a visual delight with 90.7% screen-to-body ratio. The Y50's body is elegant and refined. A flowing cascade of radial light patterns create layered texture and premium colors further elevate the artistic look. The phone weighs 197 grams and it is easy and light to carry. Specifications: 16.59 centimeters, 6.53-inch FHD plus iView display with 2340 x 1080 pixels resolution. The RAM is 8 GB and the internal storage is 128 GB, which is expandable up to 256 GB. It is equipped with dual SIM. Both are compatible with 4G. It comes with Funtouch OS 10 operating system with 2.0 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor. This is pretty powerful processing. Camera. Y50's 13-megapixel quad-rear camera is designed to capture wider views, macro shots and portrait images. Y50 features a 8-megapixel super wide-angle camera offering 120-degree field of view to help you capture wider landscapes and larger groups of people. The camera comes with features like super night view, professional photo, pdaf, AR shoot, gesture recognition, voice photo, slow lens, selfie screen relight, dynamic photo, HDR, panorama, portrait double, background virtualization, video call beauty, watermark, video beauty and portrait light effect. The 16-megapixel front camera captures images with great detail and has all the features that of the rear camera. Y50's Super Night algorithm automatically springs to life in dark light to reduce noise and overly lit spots, allowing you to capture radiant evening selfies and night scenes from front and rear camera both. Performance. You can multitask and enjoy unhindered performance on Y50 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 mobile platform and 8 GB RAM. It also comes with 128 GB of internal storage. You can immerse yourself in a music marathon, binge on TV dramas or games, as its 5000 mAh battery has the fire to keep up with you all day long. Multi-Turbo 3.0 has been updated with the industry's first VPG technology, using Center Turbo to schedule core system resources for maximum speed and AI Turbo to make intelligent judgments. Reason to buy. You can watch mobile videos with stability and clarity. Y50 comes with an industry-leading stabilization algorithm and motion sensors that are precise the millimeter. The processing power is so high, you will never experience a lag while playing games or using creative graphics softwares. The camera is exceptionally good and works great even in the dark. So if you're looking for a budget phone and don't mind spending a little more, Vivo Y50 is for you. That's it for today. See you again with more product recommendations. Goodbye.